We wouldn't have this house if it wasn't for you.
Greg has done an awesome job, above and beyond. I would highly recommend him to anyone.
Hello, Dustin and Sarah. Congratulations on your home here in Star Farms. Just wanted to give you a quick tour on video. Maybe you want to share it with some friends, family, and pick some neighbors of yours because there are some more homes available. Not with a tile roof this big, but you guys got a win here, so congrats again, and enjoy this tour and follow me, guys. Obviously we don't have the drywall yet or insulation, but this will give you a nice little front porch here. This is a big home. Enjoy the aerial video too. They locked the front door. How funny is that? So the front door is locked. That's good, but I can still get into the garage. Let me take you to the front door here. I know you already know this plan, but if you ever need a reference spacing, check your floor plan. All right, we just came in the front door, and we have a den up here in the front. Here, dining room. Show you some of the electrical here. You'd be very surprised how much this comes in handy after closing. You can see all these wires. So if you're upgrading or changing things, especially on the staircase, definitely makes a difference. So come take your own pictures, by the way. This doesn't suffice. You see it's the flexible hose here for plumbing. You have your room under the stairs. Look at all this space down here. Wow, this is pretty impressive. And then you come into your living area. Nice view of the lake, your back porch. Lots of brightness in this home with all the windows it has. Your kitchen island. You can see some of your plumbing here. Going up and over. And your vented hood. See, it actually is vented. You'd be surprised. I've had builders, let's just leave it at that, say there's vented hoods, and then after closing, the homeowner finds out there is no vent, and they have to come back and put the vent in. So, verified the vent is in. Walk-in pantry. The electricals looks like the rough out is done. From what I can see, everything's kind of foam set that needs to be foam set. That I can see. Again, I'm not in a formal inspection, but to kind of give you a visual of what's going on here. And so this is the laundry room. Actually, this is a, half bath. It's getting lost in here. It's a big house. You have bathroom, a shower, and then a bedroom, or however you're going to use this room. Exciting times here in Star Farms. I'm actually over here for an inspection on another home that's closing in next week, so this worked out quite well. I'll go up the stairs here. Let me get up here to your second floor. This house is coming along. Love this big bonus room flex space. See the tile going in here. Closet for your air conditioning. And then you have your huge room up here. Master. Closet. Closet. And tub. Obviously that's going over there by the window. So. And then the shower should go right there. You see the plumbing out. Plumbing right here. Drain needs to go in. Electrical here. All right, so this is your master suite, man. It takes up this whole back side of the house, and then your toilet right here, your commode. Come out here, and this is actually your laundry room, not downstairs. So you have your laundry room up here. I've had people say, let's just connect it here to the master, but I think it's fine the way it is. And then we're going out to the kids' room. So here's another room here with a closet and a bathroom across the hall. Double sinks, and then your tub, the linen closet. If this is too fast for you, just pause and rewind. Try to go as slow as they can. My wife always tells me, you go too fast. Another bedroom here with a front window and a side window. A little bit bigger than the room back there. This is an ensuite, so it does have the bathroom, deep tub, and a small walk-in closet. Last but not least, you have another bedroom here. Front window and a closet that would be used. This would be the bathroom. These two bedrooms would be used here, and then one ensuite. So your master, your ensuite, two other bedrooms, so 4 bedrooms, as you know. A bonus area, and then it walks back out to the bonus room. That's your tour. I'm super excited for you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. I know I was answering some questions for insurance and utilities and things like that, but congrats again. Thanks for putting your trust in me, and I'm so glad this worked out for you, and we'll talk to you really soon. Give me a call sometime. Take care.